do we let this yard go? Now what am I supposed to do? Who are you?
I'm future you. I'm here to help you with this hot mess you got going on.
Huh?
There's no time to explain. Just trust me.
Okay.
Kick this bad boy up to 88 psi, and you're gonna see some serious shine.
You mean to tell me you built a time machine out of a pressure washer? No. Then when the heck are we? You mean, where the heck are we? Okay, so where are we? Menards. They're one of the largest home improvement stores in the Midwest. For the time being, they're the only ones selling this. Super Clean? Super Clean's new multi-purpose pressure washing concentrate. Oh wow. Come on, we have to go. Where to now? Back to the yard. Oh.
Man, this is working great.